Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Richie from Boston. I am making this video over again. Today is September 11th, 2016. I already put this up on the 9th, and not only did the video disappear from my channel, so did two other videos, and they are no longer in my hard drive, which is really odd. That's all I'm going to say. This is the link off of the patent number that I left on my NASA Sun Simulator video right here. It's this patent number, and if you click on it, it brings you to this page. And if you click on this external link, it brings you right here, which is where I'm at. Now, this says system and method for irradiation of planet surface areas. Okay, it's a United States patent number 3564253, February 16th, 1971. A system and method for generalized irradiation of relatively large surface areas of a planet, such as the Earth, the Moon, etc., for illumination, heating, weather control, etc., employing one or more planet-orbiting, self-erecting, planar reflector satellites controlled in attitude and orbit position to reflect energy from the sun to a desired area on the planet's surface. The inventor is Arthur Buckingham. The assignee is Westinghouse Electric Corp., Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The ID number, the application number, the date filed, January 31st, 1967. If you're having deja vu, so am I, because I've already put this up and it totally disappeared. I will leave links for this as well as what is showing up on the Secchi telescope, I believe, is this item, because it shows on the Secchi telescope image that everybody has exactly what this patent calls for. It says here in the claim, apparatus for effecting generalized illumination of a surface area of a planet, comprising a satellite means launchable into orbit around such planet. Said satellite means including a compacted membranous solar energy reflector means unfurlable into space to form a rigidized planar reflector surface. An attitude changing means for orientating said plane surface reflector to intercept solar energy from the sun and reflect same onto a selected area of said planet for a selected period of time during each orbit. Do you understand that this right here means they can affect when the sun comes up and goes down? Does everybody remember when the days seem to get shorter? Does everyone seem to remember when time sped up? If these guys truly control when the sun comes up and goes down, I mean, for crying out loud, Crow 777 has got numerous videos of the moon, what he calls the lunar wave. It appears that the moon is a hologram or a projection. A projection in the sky would require large amounts of barium, strontium, and aluminum, which are the three main building blocks of chemtrails, which they're killing us with chemtrails right now. No pun intended. But this, a satellite means including a compacted, membranous solar energy reflector unfurlable into space to form a rigidized planar reflector surface. Watch this. Okay, right here in this video is an outtake from the Secchi telescope, the solar stereo telescope that they use to show us the sun. I'm going to play this side by side. This is the object that is shown in this patent right here. Solar reflector means unfurlable into space, so it unfurls like a sail and forms into a rigidized planar reflector surface. Let's see if I got the whole thing. And I don't. Hold on, I'll grab that. Okay, I found it. Here's the Secchi telescope. This is Pluto, Venus, Neptune, Mercury, and Mars, allegedly. And then right over here, this device is going to become, there it is, right there, the round circular thing. it's going to unfurl like it's blowing out some sort of a flexible material. So it's unfurling just like it calls for, and then it turns into a rigidized reflector. So somehow this must be the way that the satellite moves itself. It just unfurled. It's unfurling right here on the stereo satellite scope, and then it turns into a rigidized reflector surface right there. There it is. This is NASA's telescope, not mine. And I'm putting this video back up again because it got pulled. And it not only got pulled, I'm making the video over again because my hard copy on my computer is gone. Here we go. Solar energy reflector means unfurlable, like a solar sail or something to that effect, that can be blown up in space to form a rigidized planar reflector surface. And attitude changing, orienting means if they're going to fake the sun, they also have to fake the sunrise and everything. Think about that. They could totally control time. If you control when the sun, or what appears to be the sun, comes up or goes down, you control time. Has anyone else noticed that the days seem shorter, that time seems to be flying by? You know what I mean? Think about this. They have all the technology for faking all this stuff. They have for the longest time, apparently. And I don't believe they got it from aliens. I believe they got it from other dimensions, like the D-Wave quantum computer or perhaps CERN, one of the two. At any rate, here it is. And it's not some sort of a lens flare or anything to that effect, because these are picking up photons and electrons in the sky. You know what I'm saying? On the stereoscope, here's the object. It's unfurling it. It looks like it's blowing a bubble with chewing gum or something to that effect, for layman's terms. And then it turns into what appears to be a rigidized reflecting surface. NASA's SETI H1-2 scope. There it is right there. So again, here's the item. And then you can see the patent that I put up in March that shows the exact side view of it. I mean, if that's not it, I don't know what to tell you. And for whatever reason, this all disappeared from my website, my YouTube channel yesterday. So I'm putting it back up one more time. At any rate, I will leave links in the description. I have several videos on my channel. Check them out. Richie from Boston. I am out.